This shit'll cost you $600 in the store. Oh, whatever. Watches.
Hey, baby.
I could show you a good time.
Oh, hell no.
Man, fuck the rollers.
LeVar, you gonna let those bitches disrespect us?
Shit, what you think?
What the fuck you think you're doing?
Just being civic-minded is all.
That's so?
Yeah, some dumbass cracker went and shit on all over this wall. We just cleaning it up.
Hector says buenas noches.
Shit! Oh!
Wrong time, wrong place, dawg.
You okay, player?
Julius, let's move.
That don't look so bad. You should be fine. That's Troy. You can thank him later.
Hey.
The row ain't safe no more, son. We got gangs fighting over shit that ain't theirs. And you in the way, they don't care if you represent or not.
Julius, this is no time to recruit.
We need all the help we can get, son.
No, we need to get our asses out of here.
In a minute. Look, the row's got a problem. Come to the church when you want to be a part of the solution.
I'd like to stick a few things in that ass.
That Aisha character looks like a little whore.
Huh? Get out of my car before I whoop your ass.
Get together, though. Just don't.
Every motherfucker here knows what we need to do. Now those bitches be riding around here thinking they own these streets. I don't care what flags they flying. Rollers, Carnales, Vice Kings. No one's making this nigga scared to walk the road. We about to lock this shit down right now.
All right, yeah!
Yeah!
Fuck yeah! Who the fuck's this guy?
Troy and I found him. We're gonna see if he'll ride with us.
Julius, if he wants to run with the Saints, he gotta be canonized.
Hey, he's right, Julius. Everyone had to do it.
You ready for this, player?
Let me show you how it's done in a row.
You nothing but a busted ass punk.
Woo!
Remember, you asked for this.
Let me show you how.
Yeah! I ain't gonna take that shit. Nigga, you's about to...
Try not to break that.
Go, baby!
You rolling up on me like I'm nothing?
That's what I'm talking about!
You earned your colors today.
That's some impressive shit. The only other Saint who kicked ass like that was Johnny. Shit took me half the time.
Welcome to the 3rd Street Saints. Let's get down to business. If we're serious about taking back the row, we gotta let those motherfuckers know what time it is. Now you break it down, and it's all about respect. Get enough of it, they're gonna back off, and we're gonna move right on in. We got some friends in town that could use some help. Give them a hand. 'Cause you can always drop any motherfucker flying the wrong flag. So long as word gets out that the Saints is on the row, I don't give a damn how you do it. You feel me?
All right, man. Time for you to buy a piece.
I got shit to do, you know? You're not a real saint till you do some serious shit.
Damn. I almost
You
forgot
think
how
you're a
dirty
big
this
man,
place can
don't
be.
you?
In the market for some good defense? Hey, self-defense is nothing to mess with, right? This isn't a toy, you got that?
All right, man, what do you say we take that piece and clean up the road? Around, do you? Alright, looks like that got their attention. If it ever gets too hot, go to forgive and forget. They'll cover up everything.
Never respect the Vice King.
Never have I ever felt much better. Not to be the boldest or the oldest nor the wackest. Neither am I neatest or the newest or the blackest. Just a brown fellow who's not afraid of jello. To the people of the world I would like to say good day. Had to
Hey, if you can't handle a car, how the hell are you gonna handle a gun?
You gotta kill me. What's going on?
If I pick the kids up late,
From the size of your donation, I can tell you regret what you've done.
Hey man, now that everything's taken care of, can you drop me off at Freckle Bitches? I'm jonesing for a fun bag.
Good work, player. Word has gotten out that the Saints ain't bullshitting. Now we gotta lock our rep down.
How can I help you? Coming right up. Come back soon. Deberían de meterte en la cárcel, cabrón. How did you get a license? Hughes is gonna put a stop to stuff.
Watch where you're driving!
I'm seeing legally about this. Jesus! Sabía que hoy era un buen día para-
But I can feel your resistance.
Ensnare.
Watch your driving, buddy!
We got stuff that'll help you get through those cold nights.
My wife was almost a widow.
Bitch, you hot?
After a day like today, I could use a blunt.
If I was you, I'd have come a lot sooner. What do you think?
Stop fucking with our shit!
I've gotta see the doctor.
You're not even worth my time.
That new RV is a chick magnet.
Nice to meet you. I'm Dr. Raymond Gonzalez. I do a lot of consulting for this law firm, and my testimony in court has cost insurance companies millions. Here's the way it works. You throw yourself in harm's way, I write a totally accurate insurance claim, and we all walk away a hell of a lot richer. Almost sounds too good to be true, right?